Reading practice number 5. Dear Mrs. Benton, if you are determined to get the most out of the hard-earned money you spend for food, there are several points you should keep in mind, period. You should, paragraph number 1, take prompt advantage of sales, period. Build up a modest reserve supply, especially of items you use regularly. Paragraph number 2. Select the appropriate size for your needs, period. Don't buy large actually needed. Paragraph number 3. Choose the quality that is suited to your individual needs, period. If you are like most people, you probably don't always need top quality brands. Paragraph number 4. Read carefully the information printed on labels and check out the ingredients. Paragraph. And, very important, shop at the Temple Supermarket at 478 Worth Street in Miami, period. Here you will find prices that will definitely please you, period. Sincerely yours,